is going up, everybody? I hope everybody's killing it, having a great day. We are going to be doing a what are we doing? Oh yeah, we're going to be showing you guys how I customize my Thinkorswim training platform. All right, so it's super easy. I make it easy because day trading is hard to begin with, so I like to make my charts as easy as it can be. So I just put 6 charts up here. So if you guys look, these top 2 are connected, and these middle 2 are connected, and the bottom 2 are connected. So here I am going to be showing you guys pretty much what I do, kind of the studies I have, why I have it like this. All right, so starting up on top here, we're going to be showing you I have multiple moving average lines. I have 4. I have the 9, 20, 90, and then the 200. And the reason why I have those is because they act as support or resistance points. Now, I can also add them in here. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be reamping and making my charts better. So I already have them all in, so all I gotta do is just click this one and they come in. We're gonna be changing the background color on here, so that you go to appearance, background. We're gonna just make it solid black and then fill up these so it's like that. Click apply, look good. Let's do it here. And the reason why I'm setting this up is because the SureTrader one that I use has that black theme, so it looks a lot better. So when I zoom in, guys, I can see it more clearly. Maybe it's just me, but I don't know. I just like it like that. It's just a lot easier to do. So here I have it's on the 1 minute chart here, and then here is either the 5 or the daily yearly chart. And the reason why I have them set like that is because the 5-minute chart, you can look at it a lot more clear and see trends, resistant points, stuff like that. It just makes it a lot easier. So let's change these up. So appearance, fill, super easy. Background. Now you guys can also do that, but I found that it actually makes it a little more confusing. So let's click apply, and you guys see how once it gets high volume that the reds kind of blend together. I don't like that. I used to, but it kind of just made it harder to trade. And I just like to make this as easy as I can. So pretty much we're just going to be doing this for like a minute. All right, and the reason why I have multiple setup is because I only have one monitor for my charts, and I don't like to have 3,000 charts up. I like to have a watch list of 3 stocks and just go from there. If something hits my scanner, then I'll type it in and I'll see what's going on, where the moving average lines are, and just kind of go from there. I don't like to make things complicated. And a lot of people think that day trading is complicated to begin with, and it totally is, But if I make just one thing less stressful or easier to understand, it'll make the rest of it just a little better to understand, guys. So that's all it is. All right, so we're almost done here. We got one more. All right, so appearance. All right, background, black. Click apply. All right, so now when I have my charting up, wait, let's go here. And my actual, when I trade, this is what it will look like, guys. So once that is up, click OK. Path. Okay. It's weird. Didn't know that. Sometimes you got to pop that out, push this over. So now that it's all black, look how clean that looks, you know. So on my other scanner, I will have, or on my other monitor, I'll have my scanners, and that's where I stream for you. So stock hits my scanner, TMSR, boom, okay, hit it yesterday. I see, all right, so it's moving. Pre-market high is close to $4, so we can just call it $4. It looks like it's halted here. All right, so maybe let's hop in on the next halt. Boom, we're in at 340, setting stops, or yeah, 430, setting stops below this 9 moving average line, and pretty much just ride the trend. The trend is your friend. Boom, now I don't have to have it where, like, look at the difference if I go back. So let's go to appearance. Let's go to this. Let's go to apply. Now look how confusing this gets. I see where people like it, but for me, it's too much color. Maybe it's harder to see these moving average lines, but I do not like it. So this is pretty much how I set up my charts. It's super easy, guys. It's very easy. So let's get out of this here. Whoops. Boom. Okay. So, this is how I set everything up. It's not complicated. I like to make it simple, and I like to have 1 minute here and then 5 minute here. When I do my pre-market analysis, that's when I have more time, so I can pull up, over here I can pull up the 1 minute or the 1 day yearly chart and say, okay, this stock actually has a previous history of running, but each time it does is it gets, it falls right after. So I know, okay, it pops up, falls, pops up, falls, pops up, falls. All right, so pops up. What's most likely going to happen tomorrow? It will probably fall. So those of you that have shares available to short, there could be a play tomorrow on this stock. So, this is how I set everything up. I mostly will do it, best stock, medium stock, and then I'll always keep like kind of the one that isn't moving a whole lot pre-market, but it has, either a previous history of running, something like that, just so it's up on my charts and I don't miss anything. Because I like to have three stocks every morning that look somewhat interesting. Maybe they're not 100%, I know I'm buying this stock, but maybe they're, okay, this is interesting if this happens. So I'll just leave them up. I'll leave my scanners up, and I'll go from there. I like to make everything simple, guys. The simple, traders are probably the most profitable. I'm not sure if that's true, but you just have to think, if you have 2 million studies up here and you have trend lines everywhere and you have 15 charts, imagine how much confusing this will get. So let's save this. It's very easy how to save that. Just save it to day trading. So imagine if you had like this many charts, guys. Imagine how confusing this would get. And there's people out there that do this, and I just do not whoops, what did I click? I just do not understand, how they do it. I like to just keep it simple. So that's a tip for you guys. Keep it simple and just go from there. Don't try to overcomplicate your trades. Just, trend is your friend, basic rules, and, paper trade for as long as you can, and start small, build up. Never put $100,000 into account and then try to build that up. You will blow up your account, and you'll be, really upset, and emotions will get to you. Rather than if you put in, $500 and then you build up your account, then, you can start getting more confident with your trades. You will understand the market a lot more. But yeah, so that's it though. This is how I set up my charts on the Thinkorswim trading platform and the studies I use. And I do use, the time and sales, and I will, maybe I'll throw up a level 2 up there. I always play around with it. So I'm not saying to go do this exact thing. Maybe do something that works for yourself, guys. So that's it, though. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, subscribe, comment if you're new. Take care, everyone. Peace out.